Okay, so isn't this a beautiful picture? Forget about the battle. You're here with me now. Rest. God. The Lord spoke this to my heart because I'm going through such a battle. His amazing love. I'm overcome with His love. It's so wonderful. I didn't know that God took the time, or I knew it, but it's hard to believe that God takes the time to encourage each and every one of us. And the Lord led me to a scripture that says, "Your Father feeds the birds." God feeds the birds. He takes the time to make sure the little birds are fed. And then it says, "Aren't you more valuable than they?" So if God takes the time to feed the birds, isn't He going to feed us, take care of us? We just need to believe and trust in Him. So this really helped me out a lot. And then I noticed the second part, right? There remains therefore a rest for the people of God. That's beautiful, isn't it? So we win, we rest, and we win. We need to rest in God. Let Him do the battle for us. And so that really touched my heart. I thought it was a special message. And then I was guaranteed it's a special message when I looked and saw who posted it. I'm not going to show his name completely. Well, I'm not going to show it at all because I can't distinguish it. So, but his name is Roy. Yeah, my name is Roy. His name is Roy. What's the likelihood for me going in this account this day to see this post? And I haven't been in here in about a week or more. That's amazing. He really does love us. He do take the time to encourage us. So be encouraged by that. It's not just me and Roy. He loves everybody.